DALLAE, 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 DALLAE. It's DALLAE season! Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have Oppa's absolute favorite Korean herb. It's in season March through April in the wild. In Korean, it's called DALLAE. In English, it's technically Allium Monanthum. And the Allium family has hundreds of species of onions, garlic, scallions, shallots, leeks, and chives. It's got the bite of garlic, green onion spice, and the fragrant sweetness of onion. But it's all delicate and gentle.
What are you talking about?
This wild chive found in the woodlands of Korea, Japan, Eastern Russia, and Northeastern China. Thank you, Wikipedia. We will make a donation when this channel takes off. Help realize the stream. Never seen it at a regular grocery store, but go to a Korean market and you will find it in the fresh vegetable section near the lettuce. Maybe even out of season because most of the stuff at the grocery store is grown year-round in greenhouses now. It may very likely be mislabeled, so have this visual reference. Think of rhubarb season and how everyone gets excited about it and it signals the end of winter. Well, DALLAE is like that in Korea. It's just light and fresh and delicate and refreshing. So delicious. There are many ways to enjoy this beautiful wild edible, but most eat it like this, fresh, uncooked, lightly dressed. You can also use them like microgreens and sprinkle some on anywhere you would onions. Now all you really need to do is dunk it in water and make sure you get any dirt off. The whole thing is fine to eat. But Oppa wanted to show me what his mom would do, which is kind of crazy. But you go through each and every lovely one and take off the fuzzy at the top and peel off one layer. Yeah. A little tedious and unnecessary, but if it's about care and presentation, here it is guys. Korean mom love, expressed through food. Classic. Another tip if you want to do this would be to keep it bound in the elastic it comes in, and that keeps it more organized instead of this wild chaotic mess we see here. Then you can swish it around in a bowl of water, discard the dirt that falls to the bottom, then go through with the peeling of the miniature bulbs if that's the kind of thing you like to do. Honestly, I don't think Oppa will ever do it again. Health benefits of the Korean wild chive are that it contains allicin like garlic and it may help prevent cardiovascular disease by reducing blood pressure. It strengthens the immune system with its abundance of nutrients and vitamins like A, B1, B2, and C. It reduces inflammation and offers antioxidant benefits. You do need sugar for this, and we just got a new bag. Let me just insert some of that vital footage here. All we're going to do is make a savory salad, a light salady kimchi with this. You can also use this dressing to do a simple cucumber kimchi too. And like everything we do here, it's going to keep it to the basics. Minimal ingredients. Fish sauce can even be omitted, but it just adds a mysterious deliciousness. You really should try it. Adjust the ratio to your preference and you won't realize it's even there, but it'll be so tasty. There are also other options I'll show you later. Add gochugaru first. First of all, decide how spicy you want it. You can gauge the amount of other ingredients based on this. If you don't want spicy at all, try the sweeter recipe you'll see on the screen in a bit. Put in as much soy sauce as gochugaru, just eyeball that shit, you know how it is here. You'll be taste testing it constantly to make it taste good for you. Then comes the fish sauce, and put in an equal amount to the soy sauce, and I mean, this is how we like it, right? I would say gochugaru and soy sauce are pretty integral, but feel free to play around with everything else. We like it quite sour, so we put in an equal amount of vinegar as well, but you can add it to taste. It's already coming together, mix it around, and we're looking for a runny but thick consistency. This is not a deal breaker though, you just want it to stick to the herbs. I mean, some people make this quite watery and it's fine. Oppa likes it quite spicy, and we're eating this with meat later, so we like it very saucy. The important thing for us is gochugaru, soy sauce, fish sauce, and vinegar, but as I said, you can omit the fish sauce completely and make it more about the soy sauce if that's the way you like to roll. You know Koreans love their garlic. You can also add chopped garlic to taste. You know what would be kick-ass awesome? Some roasted garlic chips on top. Oh, what a great idea. A lot more work though. Okay, here's the sweeter recipe I was talking about earlier. This is personally how my mom makes it. You'll notice sugar is quite prominent in this one, and we absolutely drench it in sesame oil. Oh, so good. This is a boring bit of cooking I hate and refuse to work at because it's, you know, boring. But you have to taste and season as you go. Taste and season, adjust, blah, blah, blah. And yes, we forgot to add sugar. We did it later, but camera battery was dead by that point. Ugh, these people are so unprofessional. We wanted to bulk it up a bit, so we added some green onions. If you see this cool looking tool, it shreds green onions faster into shredded ribbons. That's it. You can stop the video, just mix it up and yum yum yum. You'll also notice at Korean grocery stores they always sell or sometimes give out for free disposable plastic gloves. It's because ingredients used are usually on the pungent side, shall we say? So those are nice to have, but at the same time, remember 손맛? It's the magic of touching your food and learning the feel of getting the sauce thoroughly mixed into all the ingredients, or of getting the feel of preparing your dishes with your unique set of skills. Anyway, 손맛. It's a compliment and a skill. It's a thing. But for the eco-conscious who don't like garlicky hands or touching spicy red pepper powder, some people use rubber gloves, like dishwashing gloves, but they have a pair just for food prep. See, our dressing is thick, so Oppa's gotta keep working it in there. Also, he likes sauce, so he's just gonna use the whole thing. If the sauce was runnier, all you'd need to do is give it a toss. Check out other ways you can use this delightful seasonal herb, wild edible plant, gift from nature. You can cook with it like make Korean pancakes, but it's so delicate I think it tastes great fresh like this, or in a salad or sandwich. Ta-da! Salt bae some sesame seeds on there, make it pretty, add a little crunchy. Great seasonal side dish with a hot bowl of rice. Goes awesome with meats or Korean barbecue. Today we made some 보쌈. This is boiled pork that has been sliced. It's cooked in a pot with bay leaves, peppercorn, onion, ginger, other stuff. But it's still pretty bland, so usually people eat it dipped in salted shrimp. In Korean it's called 새우젓, and just dip. Now with our DALLAE MUCHIM. Next time you're at the Korean store, go check it out. It's incredibly delicious and it's healthy. Okay, bye. See you next time.